In this video, I'll walk you through on how to import Shapefile into your USGS Earth Explorer successfully. Most time, people found it difficult to import in Shapefile into Earth Explorer, which might be due to the lack of maximum point. As you can see here, it says files are limited to one record containing one polygon or line string with a maximum of 500 points. So this could be one of the reasons why you are finding it difficult to import a single polygon into your USGS. Now, to easily import your shapefile of any area you're working on into USGS successfully, the first thing you have to do is to download the administrative map of that particular area, and I will recommend under my video description sites you can download administrative map like Humanitarian Data Exchange, HDS, and some other sites you can download your data set. And after downloading it, you extract out the area which you are interested in. Like you can see here, I was able to extract out this area. This is my area of interest. Without delay, let me open my software, GIS software, to show you in details how I was able to achieve this task. Coming to this Earth Explorer, this is what we are going to use for the practice here at GIS. Now, this is the shapefile I downloaded. The first thing is to download Nigeria shapefile, and I extracted out Ondo State boundary out of Nigeria shapefile. And after exporting out Ondo State boundary, as you can see under my table of contents, I have Ondo State Simplify polygon and this other two. Now, from this first one, opening the attribute table which I have under this attribute table, I want to show you something. Under this point count, this is the point count that was showing here on your Earth Explorer. Once this point count is above 500, Earth Explorer will not accept it. So for Earth Explorer to accept the point count, you must have it below 500. And for you to get that done, the first thing you do is you check the point count. In most cases, when you download out these administrative boundaries, the point counts are most always above 500. But what you need to do is to adjust the vertices to make it to adjust the tolerance. So when you check this other one, although attribute table, you can see this is the point count that was after the tolerance adjustment, but this is the default tolerance. This is the default point count that came with it, is above 1000. Meanwhile, what we need is below 500. And how I was able to achieve this was, the first thing is, after extracting out the shape, the boundary, and I have this point count under my attribute table, the first thing I did was to come to the search here. Coming to the search, you search for Simplify Polygon, and I'll press enter. Now I have Simplify Polygon, this first one. Then I'll click on these links here. I'll select Simplify Polygon. Now it's brought out this interface which I'm to drag in this. I'll use this Ondo 3 for practice purpose so that you can see it. Dragging in the Ondo shapefile 3 into the input features. That is what we want to adjust. We want to adjust the tolerance. For the simplifying tolerance, I use 0.001 initially. When I use this 0.001, it reduces the tolerance, it reduced this point count, it reduced it, but it was above 500. Then I change it, I come back to change it to 2. After changing it to 2, all I did was to click OK. So this is the Simplify Polygon. Now this is the new shapefile. Now let's check this new shapefile. Let's see what we have. This is what I want to check. This is where I should not do dot one. So this is what we want to check. Attribute table for it. Let's check what we have for the points count. Now the point count is not visible. For you to make it visible, you come back to your search. Inside this search, now what you do is to search for add geometry attribute. So you click on add geometry attribute, and then you select point count. Then you click OK. Then you input the input feature. So this is the input features that wants to add the geometry, that want to add the point count. So I'll click OK. When you move down now, add geometry. So here is the point count. The point count is 310, which means that you can now import it into your Earth Explorer successfully. And by this is it here. Let me show you what I'm seeing. I want to import this data. So this one was successfully imported. That is how to import. I hope this helped, and if you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.